everyone, my name is Harsh and in this video I'll be covering stateless and stateful widgets. So as the name suggests, stateless widget can be called as dataless widget and stateful widget can be called as dataful widgets. So what dataless and dataful widgets mean is that in the stateless widget we don't have much data to display or much data which is to be shown in the widget, but in stateful widget we have a lot of data which is to be shown in the widgets. Stateless widgets are immutable in nature, like they cannot be recreated or cannot be updated, but stateful widgets are mutable in nature and they can be updated, and we can like redraw them also and update the data in them. Stateless widgets on the other hand cannot be redrawn again and again, but stateful widgets can be redrawn again and again, and we cannot update the state of stateless widget. So for example, if we are having a text inside a stateless widget, so we cannot update the text inside the stateless widget, but we can update the state of the stateful widgets by using a set state method. So we can define the new state of the widget or of the variable inside the set state method, and then we can update the state using the set state.